The plot to dismantle IPOB, a direct attack on the Biafra struggle. There is a deliberate and sinister campaign underway to weaken IPOB from within. They want Biafrans to stop paying their monthly dues. They want us to stop attending IPOB meetings. They are pushing aggressively for the destruction of the Directorate of State, DOS. These are not innocent suggestions. They are calculated moves designed to collapse the structures that have kept the Biafra restoration struggle alive and strong for over 13 years. Those behind this know exactly what they are doing. Stopping dues means starving the struggle of funds. Avoiding meetings means killing coordination and discipline. Destroying DOS means dismantling the very administrative and enforcement framework that holds everything together. Why don't they just come out openly and say, "End the Biafra struggle and let everybody go their separate ways"? Because that is precisely what these demands mean. They understand that directly attacking the Biafra ideal may not work, so they are attacking the foundations that sustain it. They want us to voluntarily destroy what we have painstakingly built with unity, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment over more than 13 years. It took blood, tears, consistency, and the collective resolve of millions of Biafrans to build IPOB into the formidable movement it is today. The monthly dues, regular meetings, and the DOS did not appear by magic. They are products of discipline, vision, and strong leadership under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Asking us to abandon these structures is asking us to surrender the struggle without a fight. Biafrans must see this for what it is, a well-orchestrated plot by enemies of freedom, both internal and external, who are desperate to break our unity. A divided and disorganized IPOB is easier to defeat or ignore. But a united, disciplined, and financially strong IPOB remains a powerful force that cannot be silenced. We must reject every attempt to destroy what has taken us over 13 years to build. Continue to pay your dues. Continue to attend meetings. Protect the DOS with everything you have. The Biafra struggle is not a joke. It is a sacred mission that demands our total commitment. Unity is our greatest weapon. Let no one deceive us into dismantling it. Family Writers Press International.